frames. So first you need tools and you need the materials. You need tools like scissors. So these are the things you continue using. You cannot consume them, but materials are something that you always buy after consuming. So these tools, you need scissors. If you don't have, you buy one. You need a ruler. This is one of your tools. Ruler, if you just buy it once, you can use it till so this is a ruler. You get your ruler. This particular ruler, you can get it, or you can get a tape rule. Yes, but I normally use ruler, this type of ruler. Yes. So after that, I think we don't need any tools again, except your phone. Your phone is a tool for you to get pictures and print it. So your phone, ruler, scissors. Then the materials you need a super glue. Let me be keeping everything once. These are the tools. You need a super glue. So they sell these for like 200 naira in my site if you're in Nigeria. You need a biro or a pencil. This part of the tools, yeah. Pencil or a biro for marking your measurements. You need tape. Yes, you need tape. But this is not like a must-have. It's not a must-have. But you see it when I use it, sure. So if you really want to do it exactly the way I do it, yes, you need this particular tape. So you can always see this tape at bookshop, bookstore. Yes, and even where they say those electrical appliances, like not really electrical appliances, electrical materials and tools, you always see tape there. So apart from that, you need to have a picture that you have printed, something like this. Though this one now, it's more of like two different things I printed on. So look at it. So you see it's shiny. It has this glossy look. So after printing, I'll show you where I used to print. So I'll print there. You have this printing press. Those people that print images, you see them. It's not those computer. There's this place they used to normally call. I don't know, sure. But you see this. These people are like, they are specialized in printing. So they will help you print it. So this is printed on A4. So they can print it on bigger paper too. So this is A4 size, and if you are starting out, you are learning, this is the size you should do, so that you'll be able to just copy exactly what I do, so that you don't have any issue. So, but if you have learned this A4 size, you can do bigger size or smaller size. So you'd have learned everything, and you'll be able to just apply every principle. So you see, I'll show you where I used to print. You can always get where the printing press, where they print stuff around your area. You can ask people if you don't know. You just ask 5 people. If you don't know where you print, somebody will lead you to somebody that will lead you to somebody till you see the right place. Even though you did not find the right place, eventually you'll find the right place. Another day, like that's just it. Most of the place I do my things now, at the onset, I don't know those places. Just more of after I just take a step of it, and before you know, everything just click. Then I begin to see the perfect place to do my jobs. So you just ask 3 or 5 people around you. You always know where they do all these things, like printing now. After printing, so you see how this thing is shiny. After printing, it will not look like this. It should not look like normal paper. Like, let's just assume like this, like normal paper like this. It will not be shiny. It will not be shiny. So there's this place you normally go to laminate it. They call this thing lamination, that to be shiny. So there are 2 places you can go. There are around those printing press where they print this place. You see people that is doing lamination there. That they used to laminate pictures. You can see people there doing those things. So I'll show you the picture of the machine they use. And if you cannot get it there, you can go to any computer operator. Those people, they just do all this CV, they do ID card, all this register jump, all this normal small computer stuff. So most of them cannot print colored. That's why I'm not advising you to go and print in those places, those computer those small computer shops. So but those places you can laminate, they do laminate there. So you just go there and you say you want to laminate, they can laminate after printing. They can laminate it for you. But most of them cannot print colored images like this. That is why you have to go to those printing press, those people that print all these ceremony printing, like birthdays, weddings, anniversary. Those people that print these are your vendors, or how will I say it? Yeah. So that's the place you go to print. And after you laminate, you can go back to the normal book computer shop to laminate, or around that place you print, you always see where they laminate. So it to be just like scriptsy new, or what English should I use now? Just to be very nice. You see. So then you need a carton. So So I've already told you how you can get your carton in the tutorial where I'm using the carton. You can get your carton at workshops, like those electrical places where they sell these electrical appliances. Those people have so many cartons. You can ask them. Or a cheaper place to get your carton is just around you. People that sell biscuits or this provision store, they'll always give you for free. But if you are using it for commercial purpose, you know you need plenty, and you cannot be going there and asking them every time, please I need it, will get tired of you, I don't want to give you any more again. So you have to just bargain. Since you are doing business with it, you can just bargain with them, and it's so cheap. Anything they'll be giving, I bought 400 naira carton, and it's so plenty. I use it to do like 12 frames, and they're still even like I still have remnant of those things that I can still do another 12. So just imagine, it's so cheap, just 400 naira. So those people will gladly sell it in a cheaper price because they're not using it to do anything. So, but you can always ask them if you're just doing it one, or you have not started doing it in bulk, or you're not even selling it. You just want to do it for personal use. So you can always beg around you. Not really beg, you ask. Using the word beg now. So, okay, this is it. You need carton. This is one of your materials. So I use this particular paper at the last stage. Use it to cover the back of my frame. So you can use cardboard paper. Yeah, cardboard paper, or any kind of paper you find in your paper house. So, or you can use this wrapping sheet. There's this particular wrapping sheet that is like it's brownish like that. So you can use it at the back. But this is what I normally use. I'll just put it at the back and tape it so that everything will look professional. So that's everything you need to know about it. So this is the major guy. So if you buy it, it comes with all this stuff. So you have to peel it. Sorry, it comes with a cover. Comes with a cover. So now you just remove the cover. Yeah, you just remove this smaller part. Yes. So the one you are buying is the bigger one. It's the bigger one I used to do the tutorial. The bigger one is more beautiful, so I advise you to go with that one. So you try the smaller one too if you like it. Yes, you can try it. But the bigger one is 800 naira per length. So and the length you can get 2 frames inside. That's A4 frames. A4 paper, that's 8 by 12 kind of frames. 8 by 12 each is frame. So the bigger one is 800 naira for in my side. So but this smaller one is cheaper. You can buy this smaller one and practice with it. And this smaller one is more easier, but this the tutorial, I will drop the tutorial for this smaller one. But the bigger one, all the tutorial, I just did all the tutorial with the bigger one. Let me show you the bigger one. So this is the bigger one. So the bigger one has more space inside, while the smaller one has no space. So I've removed the cover. So let me remove the cover of this one. You see the difference. This one has. So in the tutorial I use this particular one. So if you want to do something very beautiful and something outstanding, yeah, I just did it. So it has more space, while the smaller one has a little space inside.
Hello, so this is me going to the market to get this particular trunking pipe. So this is the electrical shop. See where they buy all these electrical materials, your bulbs. So this is the trunking pipe. So you just go there, you can see it. They have bigger ones, they have smaller ones. So this is the small. I think this is the smallest. No, this is the kind of the medium size, while this one I'm touching now is the smallest. So for the sake of this tutorial, you buy the big size, which is this one, and you buy the small size, so that you'll be able to practice with the two and you decide which one you want. So buy the big size and the small size. Thank you.